Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Renegade Veracruz 30VRM. This is the single slide rear bath Murphy bed floor plan that Renegade offers on the F550 chassis. Only 30 foot in length, so super convenient to drive, easily accessible with the slides closed. So let's take a look at what this thing has to offer. This is the 2024 Renegade Veracruz 30VRM. This has the 6.7 liter Power Stroke, 330 horsepower, 850 foot-pounds of torque, with a 12,000 pound towing capacity. This is a four-wheel drive unit. So you have 4 high, 4 low, and 2 high. It's got a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the Overcast exterior paint scheme. 3 colors. Frameless windows throughout, insulated baggage doors, overhead bunk, armless awning by Gerard, tankless Truma hot water heater, propane furnace, good looking back cap, backup camera, your 12,000 pound hitch, LED lights throughout, all your marker lights, tail lights, headlights, all LED. Really deep slide here for your living area. Your dual fuel fill. Good looking F550 chassis. Got a nice window up front in the cab over bunk, let some light in. 6.7 liter Power Stroke with 330 horsepower, 850 foot-pounds of torque, 12,000 pounds of towing capacity. Now I'll open up all these bays and go through them one by one. All right, now we have all of our bays opened up. First, we have our outside entertainment with the sound bar. This is now a standard feature for the 2024 Veracruz. Got our side view cameras over here, conveniently located to give you a good view of that blind spot when you're changing lanes. Propane furnace, storage, LED light with a 110 plug. This will open to where you can run your power cord out and be able to lock and close your door. Got your Truma AquaGo on-demand hot water system. It's propane. More storage, the LED light. These are all rotocast plastic material, so they're not going to rust or mold. Here we have our quiet diesel, the Onan 8000 Cummins. And here's your propane fill and the propane quick connect to be able to plug in a grill or a heater. Again, your armless Gerard awning. Really good looking back cap with the window there in the back bathroom. Separate bumper from the back cap to where if you did have rear end damage, you don't have to worry about replacing this rather than the whole thing. It's a nice feature. Generator exhaust there comes out the back. 12,000 pound towing capacity. There is your specs. 12,000 pound tongue weight, 12,000 pounds of gross trailer weight. Again here, 7-way plug for your trailer. Backup camera there. It's gonna be your black and gray tanks, sewage hose storage, and where you dump your sewage there. So nice and convenient, easy to get to. And here, wet bay from Renegade. Again, all your water jetted labels, so none of those are stickers. They're gonna last the life of the coach. Got your water filter. This one needs to be replaced. Got a little crack in it, so that will get fixed today. Sea level tank monitor to be able to see your tank levels out here. Black tank flush. Your black and gray sewage handles. spigot. That is your city water, where you're gonna plug your hose in. You can fill your tank or city water with the flip of the switch there. And you have your little outdoor shower here to be able to connect to your spigot, hose everything off. Here we have our power cord reel with our automatic transfer switch. Next, we're gonna have a 3,000 watt inverter with the solar controller by Xantrex, and your 8D AGM battery for your house here. Your DEF fill, diesel exhaust fluid, keyless entry for the cab. Good looking, easy to get into. One of my favorite chassis to drive. Just like driving a truck. Nothing to it. All right, let's go inside and check out what this thing has to offer. So this is travel mode with the slide closed. So you can sit on this theater seat. This thing will even open up slightly, depending on how long your legs are. You can sit here. Easily get to your refrigerator, kitchen. You can lay on this couch, sit on this couch if need be, and easily get back to your bathroom. Big spacious bathroom back here, fully accessible while you're traveling. So this is going to be your tightest spot, right in front of the wardrobe and this couch. But everything else is wide open up here in the front. All right, starting up front, we have the overhead bunk with the little skylight, automatic shade that will close up and down. Little cubbies on each side with some 110 plug USBs on either side. Lights, automatic retract for that shade. So right now I have this little section taken out. So this is completely removable. It's actually folded right there. So if you're not using this as a bunk, you want to make this easier to get in and out while traveling, you can take this out to where you can easily get to this cab. In the cab, rearview mirror is located here. You have your four-wheel drive, high and low for your drive mode, your trailer brakes, all steering wheel controls, cruise control. Really nice F550 chassis. So I'm going to put this section back here so you can see what it looks like with the cab over bunk. Be right back. All right, that was super easy and fast. So that is your overhead bunk. The little ladder that comes with it. Go to the entryway. Right at your entryway, you have an interior on and off button. So one push of a button, you can turn all of your lights on and off. You can extend and retract your awning from here. And you have outside lights as well as your cargo lights on this panel. Shade I have closed now. Screen door. Your TV here that will pull out and swivel. A little countertop extension. You have an 18-inch stainless steel sink. All slow rise shades on all of the windows for the nighttime shades. 2-burner induction cooktop. We have a stainless convection microwave. It'll also work as your oven. Storage above. More storage here, so a little pantry space. Place for a trash can. More drawers. And storage. All soft closed drawers as well. It's a really nice kitchen space for a unit this size. Across from that, we have our theater seating. So this is all theater seating that we'll be able to pull out, recline all the way back. Really comfortable seats with a center console. Storage up above. USB is conveniently located right here in the center, so you just plug your phone in, sit right here next to you while you're watching TV. A 110 receptacle here. with some individual lights for this area. Now this is the couch. In the couch position, of course your bed's above that for the Murphy bed. So I'll show you how that folds down here in a little bit. I'll do that at the very end. We have our Firefly panel here. Be able to control everything on the coach, from your lights to your ACs and generator. All electric fridge. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. Freezer top, fridge bottom. Very efficient. It even has a eco mode if you're boondocking. Storage above. An actual pantry with pull-out drawers. I like how they paint these faces white to match everything. It looks really good and aesthetic in here. Nice dresser space. There you go. Bigger drawer up top. Breaker panels, fuses, some access to all your wiring here. It's an access panel. Plenty of storage there. And you have your TV, which will raise up. Sound bar. So plenty of storage in this little coach. Full-length mirror here. And then go back to the bathroom. Got your pocket door. Close this area off. It magnets closed to keep that thing from coming undone. You have a porcelain step flush toilet. Vanity with storage behind. Nice accent lighting. Sink towel holder. Storage beneath. Toilet paper. So it's not in your way in this small space, but when you need it, there it is. Closet. Big closet for a 30-foot RV. Big closet. Storage up above, shoes, towels, whatever you need. And then access here. Fresh water tank. Water pumps back there. So it's inside. It's you don't have to worry about your fresh water tank freezing if you're using the coach. And then nice size shower. Again, for a 30-foot coach, they utilize all this available space. Skylight. Nice fiberglass shower. Plenty of space. So now we'll fold this bed down. Alright, here's the bed folded down. Actually a really nice sized bed. Again, for an RV this size. Plenty of space. Me and my wife could easily fit there. Cabinets on either side. Individual reading lights. Little shelves as well. It'll set your phone on. 110 plug with USBs on both sides. And that is the bedroom setup. Right across from the TV. So you got a little bigger bedroom TV than you do in the living room. But you can really see them, either one of them from either place, given this area, the space at this area. These are the two armrests that come off of that couch to be able to fold that bed down. Place for your little pedestal table for your dining area. And one thing I passed up was the storage right behind this driver's seat. Little coat rack, storage there, plug with USB, little charging station, and then more storage here. Beautiful coach. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about this Renegade Veracruz or any other units that I have in inventory, feel free to reach out. My contact info is right here on the screen. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching. I look forward to working with you in the future.